Yaki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kaying bishar kla aipor sa Sngi yaki Pulit bakin Tohkit benia yak Sonam Rakhuvanshi badio Raj Khushwaha kat ba yaki Ngut pat katau Anan Gurmi Wakash Rajput bad Vishal Chauhan kindan khatsau Sngi ha judicial custody.
Our boyfriend is given 2 days police custody and others they were remanded judicial custody.
भाई माइक कर
Sonam and this Raj Kushwa given 2 days police custody and others, that is Anand, Vishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name please.
My name is T. Chanda and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Mara from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Priti Pradhan appeared.
Sir,
What is the reason?
Grounds, please.
No, that I can. That is for investigation.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
This, you see, today's police custody was granted to Sonam and her boyfriend Raj Kushwa, and for others, these other 3 accused, that is Akash, Vishal and Anand, 14 days they were remanded, 14 days judicial custody. That's all.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.